for free, and this method cost me nothing, actually nothing, zero, zero, just my time a little bit, and I had 2 more clients in my portfolio, or 17 दिन 32 days से मैंने वो काम किया, तो 2 more clients मेरे ऐड हो गए, लेकिन basically it took me just 5 days to implement. And other days I just, what I did is that I monitored and tested other methods, and I scaled it very big. Okay, so this method is really easy and it works for everybody. And I am really sure, because if you are dumber than me, then definitely it will not work for you. And it is very easy that I did it in 5 days, maybe you can do it in 1 day. So if you're not dumber than me, you can do it as well. This is not a rocket science that I discovered, okay? And I did not discover something very new. Actually, everybody was doing it before me. So it took me, I am so dumb that it took me 17 years to understand this simple technique. And मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कुछ अपने बारे में कि मैं पिछले 17 साल से सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में काम कर रहा हूँ, और 17 साल लग गए मुझे, मैं इस बात को डिस्कवर नहीं कर पाया. जिस दिन मुझे ये बात समझ में आई कि ये मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं बेसिकली, उस दिन मेरी मार्केटिंग ही चेंज हो गई. एंड ये इतना सिंपल था कि मैंने 5 दिन में इसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और 17 दिन उसको टेस्ट किया, 17-18 दिन उसको टेस्ट किया, और मेरे पास बहुत रिजल्ट अच्छे निकल के सामने आया. This works for everybody. This works for B2B, this works for B2C, this works for everybody. If this will not work for you, this is not why it is not working for you. This is how you are not doing right. If you're doing it right, it will work for you. It is not difficult to do it right. And it is basically fundamental of marketing. It is very easy. It is the basic fundamental of marketing that you will understand today. And that what I understood, and the day I understood it changed everything. So it is just basic fundamental of marketing, and this is very basic stuff. So you don't need to be very rocket scientist or something like, an artist or something like that. You do not have to be like that. Okay, you do not have to be anything better in marketing to implement this. This is very easy. Okay, this is very basic fundamentals of marketing, and there is no reason that it will not work, because nobody has ever gone against this method. Actually, every marketer that you think that they have a big budget or something like that, they are doing it. Every marketer does it in some way or other, but every marketer does it. And sometimes, right now the technology has evolved. Now you also can run ads on Facebook, and others can also run ads on Facebook. So it does not matter that if they can do better than you, it is only matters how they are doing it. So this will work for everybody, because this is working for everybody. Okay, and it literally worked for me. I am so dumb. It worked for me. It will work for you as well. It will work for everybody. Okay, and if something in the business, if something is fruitful, it's rewardful, and it is just really simple to do, and it brings more customers. If you are not doing it, you are doing a mistake, right? So अगर कोई चीज सही है काम करने के लिए, जल्दी है, हो सकती है, और उससे ज्यादा कस्टमर्स आ सकते हैं, और वो आसान भी है, उसके अंदर खर्चा भी कुछ नहीं होना, और अगर आप वो नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप कुछ ना कुछ तो गलत कर रहे हैं अपने बिजनेस में. That is why I think that this is the right thing to do, and that is why I did it. So what is the fundamental of marketing? What I understood. So I understood after reading a lot of people that I think marketing is a set of tasks. Okay, I think it is not updated. Just give me a second. I think this slide, I actually changed it. I just want to put it again, I think. Just give me a second, guys. I have already changed it. I think I should share my slides from my screen. Okay, just give me a second. I changed it just 20 minutes ago a little bit, so that is why I want to share the thing that I want to share. I changed it 2 times actually. I think that, and why I shared it because I think this is how I think that it should be. Okay. So fundamental of marketing. I think marketing is basically a strategy or set of strategies to introduce a product, services, businesses, or mission to your customers. If you are not doing this in marketing, you are not doing marketing. Okay, so that you can make money and invest that money to improve the customers' lives. So this is all the marketing is. And if you will ask any marketer, nobody will deny this is not the marketing. This is the marketing. And every definition that you can read, I have read all the definitions. This is what I understood. This is not my definition. This is what I understood. And the day I understood, it changed everything. I will tell you how. Okay, so everything now makes sense to me that, okay, yeah, if this is marketing, let's say Nike is selling shoes and they are doing some ad or something like that. They are doing it because they want to introduce their service or product or the help, their mission to you so that you can buy their shoes or their anything, their product. So every big marketer, small marketer, brands, everybody is doing this. The same thing. They are doing marketing. What they are doing is they are basically implementing a strategy or set of strategies so that they can introduce their product to you so that you know what to buy. So I believe if your marketing is not attracting client, you are doing something wrong in your marketing. And this is not my definition, but this is what I understood about marketing. So is marketing lead generation plus sales? Yes, marketing is actually a combination of two things. One is lead generation, one is sales. In lead generation, we do everything else than the sales. Once the customer is in, you close it, that is sales. Before that, everything is actually lead generation. So marketing is actually doing everything to let your customers know and give them the reason they should buy your product and services. So if they can buy your product, why should they buy your product? This is the reason that you give it through the marketing. So marketing is actually lead generation, telling people how they can buy this and what will happen if they buy your product or service. This is it. Okay. So I broke down marketing strategies and found the most simplest, easiest, but free rewarding strategy that I think that's the easiest thing. Okay. So I wrote everything else that I think about and I found maybe there are some more easier things, but this is what I found. Okay. So I implemented this in 5 days. I changed my everything. This changed everything for me. Okay, so my marketing strategy in 5 lines. Okay, so what I did is that I created a lead persona. So back to the fundamentals of marketing. If this is a process, this is a strategy, how I can introduce something to my customer. So I need to know what my customer is. Okay, so what I did is that I understood what is my lead persona. So what I did is that I will tell you in details how I created the lead persona. So a lead persona is someone we want to sell our product or service to. This is basically your lead. Okay. Other than else, nothing is your lead. Okay. Now the second thing, what platform should I choose to introduce my connect to my leads so that I can introduce my message to? What is the most easiest platform? And for me, it is LinkedIn. Okay, so I chose LinkedIn to do marketing. Simple. Okay, I will start. I have started with difficult words, but inshallah मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा slow और आसान अल्फाज में आप लोगों को समझाऊँ. Okay, so I found out that okay, if this is my lead persona, so where do they hang around? And this is all I just creating in my mind, okay, or in paper, something like that. This is I will do the research later on. Okay, I will show you how I did it, how I did everything. Okay, And then the platform, I chose a platform that, okay, LinkedIn is the platform because I think that my lead persona is mostly hanging out there, and it is very easy because I know everybody knows that LinkedIn is very easy. You just go there, find anyone, contact them, and show your message. Okay, and then I created my message, and this is something this is beautiful. This is actually my secret. So how I created my message. This is actually my secret that you should know about. But this whole process mixed together and do one thing. Okay, so I wrote my message that this is my message. It became my service, and then I created a lead magnet that I told people what to do next, and this changed everything. Okay, and then I chose one method. So in this strategy, I chose cold outreach because this is the easiest method that I could do. So what I did is that I connected with every single lead on LinkedIn, and then I send my message to them that I want to connect with them. I give them the reason that why I wanted to connect to them, and then I told them what I am doing. This is all I did. Okay, and I tested it and repeated it again and again. So I tested it that, okay, what I will tell you in the end what I tested, okay, and what I'm testing it right now. So step one, how I created my lead persona. It is very easy. So first thing I decided to do is that what we usually do. This is not rocket science. You have heard so many videos and maybe so many videos and so many things about it. So this is how I did it, and this is how people do it. How marketers do it. This is how marketers do it. You know, if you don't believe me, you search every video. You will find the same thing. You know, I did the same thing. I'm not a rocket science, okay? Rocket scientist, or I did not do anything that is hard. You know, being a marketer for 17 years, I should be doing so much good things. But this is what I understood, and this is what I'm showing it to you. So I decided that I should serve a Pakistani CEO. They are CEOs or tech leaders, or the directors and founders of the companies, and their designations are like this. They are the tech leaders, and what they're doing is that they're selling software app development services. This is what I decided myself. Okay, just I wrote it down. Okay, these are the people that I'm actually more comfortable talking to, because in my 17 years I have talked to so many CEOs, directors, founders, and I have been directly reporting to people who know me. They know me, right? I have done this, and I have worked with so many market leaders. So I am comfortable talking to them. That is why I decided. Whoever you are, you decide that is the decision maker, and you are comfortable talking to them. You can write their designation and like that. You can also do this. Okay, so write it down that, okay, what their industry they are in, what they are doing actually in their life. So I thought that, okay, these are the industries, and these are the people that I want to connect with. I want to connect with software and app development services providers. That's it. Okay, so simple. Okay, and who are the tech leaders? Okay, and what they are doing is the part of to the international market. So basically, if I want to give a level to these guys, I will say they are IT exporters or tech leaders. Okay, so my level is my tech leaders. Okay, the second thing I did is that I identified the problem that I want to solve. So I genuinely want to do this. So that is why I did it. So sometimes people do not know what is the right method to do the right thing. So I wanted to help them, and that is why they hire marketing people so that they can sell their products. Marketing and sales guys. And the problem is that the marketing team does not generate leads, and they keep asking, and they keep telling you that they are doing something new. They're spending your time and energy and advertising money and paid money, and you get zero results. You hire BD managers, you hire cold email marketers, you hire bidders, you hire so many marketing professionals. They claim that they will generate leads for you and they will do good marketing, but in fact they are not doing anything. So the people who are not doing like the like the marketing team, they are basically responsible for doing this. And they are not doing it, they are doing correct. They are doing wrong. So this is the problem that I found out. It is because I have been, it's easier to find the problem what you have been doing in your life. So I know that this is the problem now, that the marketing team is not generating leads. So this is the problem. Okay. So I found out the problem and I just assumed the problem right now. Okay. So I assume because I have been in the marketing team. So I know that what is the problem. So what I did is that I wrote it down that this is the problem that the CEOs actually facing. So what they do is actually they call their marketing teams once in a day or two or maybe in a week, and they ask them what is going on, and they monitor all the activities. They see, okay, this is going wrong and this is not, and because they are not expert as well. Okay, so this is not their fault. That is why they have hired you. They have hired better people so that they can help them, but they are not helping them. Marketing guys are not helping these days. So they say that, okay, they will do SEO or that and that and that and this. They will do branding and they will do social media marketing and they will do lead generation. But what happens is they don't know how to do it properly. Technically, they are not experts. So what happens is that they do not generate leads, and this is the biggest problem that I think that the marketing people have. But this is affecting CEOs and founders and directors and owners of our industry. Our industry should be growing, but it is not growing as much as it should be, as other countries are doing it. So okay, so what is and then I write down their psychological profile. So they desire to be successful in doing what they can easily and quickly. So actually CEOs and directors, I know that because I have met a lot of people. Okay, so I know that and you have also met a lot of people. You have met your clients, you know them. If you don't know them. Okay, so you will work with them and you will know that, okay, yeah, this is actually the problem and how they feel about it. Okay, so psychological profile is something how they feel about it. So they want to actually be successful. Who is the CEO or founder or co-founder, director or owner of the company who does not want to feel successful and be successful in their lives? That is the first reason they started the business. They want to be successful in doing whatever they're doing. Okay, so but they want to do it easily and quickly. This is also something that I would like to consider, because nobody wants to do something really difficult, because if they are trying to do it, but they want to do it easily because they want to allocate their time and so many other things. There are so many other things in the business other than the lead generation, other than the marketing. The production problems are also there. So they cannot allocate all of their time generating leads or doing marketing or something like that, and training the marketing team who are actually specialized for doing this. Okay, so this is their psychological profile. I think this is the persona that I created in my mind. This is what I wrote about. Okay, this is the guy that I want to talk about. Okay, and this is not something I am imagining rocket science. Yeah, I have met these kind of people. I know how CEOs look like. I know how they talk. I know what their problems are because they have discussed with me so many times. So if your customers have discussed their problem or whatever the solution that you're creating, you should know that why are you creating this solution. Okay, so I chose that these are the guys. Okay, where do they hang around? Where do they go to talk professional things, and how I can easily connect with them? It is so easy. CEOs, directors, marketers, everybody you can ask, they would say go to LinkedIn. So I chose LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a social platform where you already know that you can get in contact with anyone professionally and every profession, and it is free. You just send them the request that I want to connect with you. That's it. Okay, and they can accept it. And if you can send 1,000 people, I think 600, 700 people you can get in touch with them. Okay, maybe 20%. If you can connect with your customer, these are your leads. If there are some amount of people that are using LinkedIn, you can get in contact with at least 5%, 10%. So you will get 5% of your customers. These are the leads. Okay. So when I did it, I found out that there are 6,500 leads that I connect for free, and I will show you right now how I did it. Okay. So why I chose LinkedIn? Because there is no reason I should not tell you. Like, it's so obvious, right? So let me show you how I did it. Okay. So what I did is that let me go to my LinkedIn. Okay. I went to my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn. Okay. What I did is that I search empty. Okay, but I did it in Sales Navigator. So what I did is that I like Sales Navigator. I have done it before. You can go to LinkedIn here, Sales Navigator. So I did it in LinkedIn. It is very easy. And one thing I should tell you about LinkedIn is that they will give you Sales Navigator account for free for 1 month. So if you're joining new, if you have joined before Sales Navigator, it is so easy. So you can either buy Sales Navigator. Oh, okay, I did some mistake here. So I search empty. Okay, this is what I did. I search empty. Now I will apply some filters here. So then, okay, sorry, I'm really sorry. I think I did a mistake. So let me go back again. So I search empty. Okay, I found nothing. Okay, so what I did next is that company headcount. So I think that my persona has 15 to 21 because I want people who are actually not that big. So 1 to 10, I will remove 1 to 10. I will include 51 to 200. I want to. This is what I did. I will show you how my saved results. Okay, and that's it. Okay, because I want to keep it simple. So I just write it down that okay, these are the demographics. This is what I had in my mind. Okay, so I just put the filter here. So their function, their operations. Now I don't need anything here. The current job titles. Okay, this is my buyer persona: CEO, founder, co-founders, everything. Let me show you my search. Exactly what I did. Okay, founder software. Let's suppose I just okay. So these are the people that I found. I just did the research here. Current job, I think I missed something. Just, I don't know. Yeah. Yes. Here you go. I think there's some mistake. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I did this result, and I don't know why it is not showing the correct. It was showing 6,500 that time, and I got 6,500 results that I was showing you here. Okay, so it means that there are 6,000. I don't know why it is not showing right now the correct results. So maybe I did something wrong right now. Maybe. So I connected with all the people. I want to connect with all the people. Okay, so this is all my buyer persona is. Okay, so I want them to be living in Islamabad or Mandi. So basically, my lead persona is somebody who is Pakistani. So I started with where I am living right now. So I'm living here. So I did it. I searched. These are the guys that I want to connect with. Okay, I think this is the reason. Okay, I chose then the industry, what industry they are in, and I searched them here. There are 8,000 results now. I don't know why it's 6,000. I actually found 6,500 results. Okay, so I built all the connections, like second or third connection. You can choose second and third connection, and then also if you want to choose something like group members, that's fine. And then you can choose the industries, whatever industry your customer is in. Okay, yeah. See, I got the error result now. So let's say ID and consulting. This is all what I did. I have already done it. I don't know why it's not loading correctly, but because I have also done some work on this, maybe. Let me show you here. Maybe I got something. No, I I don't know why it's not showing the correct result right now. But I literally did the same thing. You know, I just searched these people, and then what I did is that I sent them the connection request. Connect. And I write a message that I want to connect with you. And mostly if you are live right now and looking at me, mostly you know that you got a message from me that, okay, I want to connect with you and I will share free stuff for something. So I just told them what I want to do, and that's it. I just send the invitation. So, okay, let me go back to it. Okay, this is what I do it. Okay, so I found it that there are 6,500 leads I can connect to. So my assumption was that if I convert 10% from my connection to be my connection, I will get 650. And if I convert 1% into my client, that will be 6 to 7 leads. Right? It is so easy. If I do it half, I will get at least 3 to 4 leads. I can easily get. So this was my assumption. So I want to test it, how I do it. So this is the third step that I created my message. Okay. So I created my message, and this is my message framework. This is my message framework. Just give me a second. I don't know. This is my first time, and first time for a long time that I'm going live. So what I did is that I wrote my message here in this way. So I know who you are, and I know about how you are feeling about your pain. Because of this personal reason, that is why I want to offer this service product to you so that you feel success. This is how you can write your message. This is nothing like this. If you want to write a copywriting, if you want one copywriting framework, this is how you write. That's it. And you'll get customers. Okay? You'll get leads. But what I did is that I did it to a little bit advanced. I have 17 years of experience. Okay? So what I did is that first I wrote this. And okay, this is my message. This is the message that I want to tell others. Who? My lead persona. Okay? And then what is their pain? What is their problem? Actually, I want to discuss. So this is what I wrote here. And what is the reason that I want to? I know that I can help them recover their pain or problem or something like that. And this is my reason. Okay, and that's why I want to offer this service and product. And this is my all offer. Like what do I want to sell you? Okay, and what will happen if you get it? This is the success. How you feel. So in my example, so what I did first is that I did my research that what is the most painful thing, because here I know already, I just told you that what is my lead persona is, and so I want to know what the problem is. So what I did is that first I connected with few people on my own, and what I did is that I sent them connection request. So many people I sent connection request, and once I knew that I know a lot of people now, like my connection request reaches 200, 300 people, and it happened in 2-3 days. So I ran a poll that, okay, what marketing problem you do not want in 2024 because it hurt you so much in 2023. So I just asked them, what is their problem? And it was my assumption that lead generation is the problem. See, now the results. There are 55 votes, but actually I run it to other places as well. So it is more than 55 votes, but it is actually the same. So I got it that, okay, yeah, this is the most painful thing, generating qualified leads, other than underpaying clients and hiring marketing. So these are actually really painful things, hiring for marketing, underpaying clients, and bad reviews. These are actually painful things. I know this, you know this as well, right? But I wanted to know what is the most painful thing. And I was right about it, that generating qualified leads is the most painful thing. If you have more leads, you have more clients, you can hire more people, you can do a lot of things, you can grow, you have money. So how I develop my general message now, because I know what is the problem, and if I know the problem, what I did is that I find the reason as well. So this is how I create my server. So in my example, I know you are a Pakistani tech leader who is running an app or software development company, and this I wrote down, okay? And I know about your problem and of not generating enough qualified leads. I know about it because I have done it before. So I would suggest that if you have done something in your life, just write it down while you're doing it, and that's it actually. Okay, sorry. So I know about you and I know about your problem. Okay, I know this because I understand this is the responsibility of your marketing team. This is my mission. This is what I want to do. This is genuinely, I know that this is the responsibility. This is, if you go back to the marketing fundamental, I know that most of the marketing people are not doing what they are supposed to do. So I understand that this is the responsibility of the marketing team, and marketing team is not doing it. That is why I want to help. What I want to do is that I help you training your marketing team. This is my offer. This is what I created the service. Okay, I will tell you in the details how I did it. Everything in detail I will tell you. Okay, and what I want to feel them, that I want to feel them that they should live a stress-free life. They should not be having a burden of not getting more clients, because if you are in the marketing, maybe you're thinking that, okay, yeah, this is not my responsibility or something like that. I'm just responsible to getting, salary. The CEO has to do a lot of things, tech leader has to do a lot of things other than the marketing. If they are hiring experts and they have to spend a lot of time and effort correcting it, so what you are doing as a marketer, what are you doing? So that is why I want to help the marketing team to be trained, and so that they can be stress-free. So this is actually my mission. Okay, so what I did is that how I created the service. So now I know the problem. Now I know that this is what I want to do. How I find out that I want to do this thing. So generating the lead is a problem. How can I fix this? Actually, how everybody can fix any problem. If you want to help someone, how you can do this, the task of helping, any task. In your life, if you want to do any task, this is how you do it. So either you can do it yourself, okay? You learn how to do it, okay? So lead generation, you learn how to do lead generation, you do lead generation. Production, you learn how to program a code and you do it yourself, okay? Everything, if you want to do, there are only 4 ways. 1, do it yourself. Second, you teach somebody so that he can do it for you. So let's suppose you have 2-3 people in your marketing team, and one you feel that, yeah, he has some charm for the sales, and you tell them, okay, I will teach you how to do sales. Do you want to do sales? Yeah. Okay, I will teach you, and you do it for me. So then he will do it for you, basically, but he can be your friend as well, that you teach him that, okay, I will teach you how to do sales, but you have to do sales for me as well. I will teach you how to program, but you have to just do some programming for me as well. You can teach your employees as well, okay? So you do it by teaching others, okay? Now, third method is that you hire somebody, you do not have to learn anything, you do not know it, you hire the expert and they do it for you. This is like hiring a marketing team, or hiring an agency to do it for you, or hiring a developer to do development for you, hiring a designer to do design for you, or hiring a design agency to do design for you, hiring a design or development agency to do development for you, or anything else. It's like hiring other people's, you cannot do yourself. You do not know how to do it. Like so many things we cannot do, so we hire others, right? And the fourth method is build reputation. So what you do is that you build reputation, that okay, you build a brand, and then other people who actually, you do not push anything, you do not do anything, but they talk about you. So they do it for you. So maybe let's suppose if my mission is if I build a reputation that I can do better marketing, so people will understand, right? And what they do is that they tell other guys that, okay, yeah, he can do better marketing, or he is a good marketer. Or if I can do better development services, so I can tell others that I'm the better developer. And then if I build the reputation of being a better developer, what will happen, that people will refer to me that, okay, yeah, he is a better developer. You can ask him. And the thing that the lead generation part that now you are not doing, the marketing part you are not doing, other people are doing for you. Like the brands, so you ask a friend, yeah, I want to buy a t-shirt, what should I buy? So they can refer you like, okay, you go this shop, that shop, or they can also refer you somewhere where, oh, I go to this market and this shop and this guy is great, you can just go and he will give you good price and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you build reputation so that people and can refer to you. Okay. So creating a service. So what I did is that I decided to do some research that I did, and I found out that okay, I asked some people as well, like friends and mentors, like that. If you have somebody who can ask it, like, okay, if can I solve this problem? Do you think that I really can solve this problem? And people will tell you it's easy, and you can also listen to yourself, you know. So what I did is that I decided that I will train other people about this simple method. Okay, how to reach and call other guys and get them in, like lead generation. Okay, so I decided that I will train other clients, their marketing teams to generate leads. And I applied this method by this way that I literally am doing it right now in front of you. Okay, so I designed the course. I did everything what I know about how I can help them generate leads, and I wrote everything down, and I created a course that okay, these are the things that I have done in my life, and I will teach you, because now I know this will work. Before that, it was not working. Now I know it will work because I have solved a simple problem, which is lead generation. So everything else, I know this will work, and I will keep working on it, and I will create the proof that okay, this is working for me, it will work for you. So this, what I'm doing right now, is that I'm telling you that it will work for you because it worked for me. Okay. So I did right now. This is the part of this course. Okay. So I'm telling you one thing that I did, and I decided to give something for free. So I derived something from course itself. I created a lead magnet, and I told everyone that what I'm trying to do. So after I created my message and my service, so I decided, okay, how actually my message should look like. So back to my message. What I wanted to do is that I know that you are a Pakistan tech leader, okay, who is running an app or software development company. I know about your problem. I know this because I understand the responsibility, that this is not the responsibility of you, but your marketing team, and your marketing team should be doing it. And this is why I want to coach your marketing team and train your marketing team so that they can do it for you. Okay. So how I said it. Okay. Okay. I created the course, but I know that I need an attraction, like proof. Okay. So if I want to tell you that it will work for you, I need something to prove, right? How it will work. So I first created a hook because I want to tell people. So before telling anyone, you need to create attraction. Hello, yes, I want to tell you something. So I created a hook. First thing first, and this is how I told other people. So so I told them that I will give a 5-day free program, and I created from the part of the course, the main course. I told them that I will do it work for you for 5 days. Okay, if this will not work for you, this is the attraction that I created. I created a free program from the main program, 5 days program, and told everybody that I will give it for you for free, but you can generate leads. And what happened, and so many people connected with me, and they told me that, yeah, we are actually interested in the main course because I want to solve this problem once and for all. And I gave them half the price, but they don't. The funny part is they don't know that I gave them half the price. This is generally what I was doing. So what I did is that in my mind that I decided that okay, this is the price. I gave them half the price. They agreed, and we are working together right now. Okay. So I just sent them a message that I want to offer free, but some people, I knew that some people will not be going for the free. It happens, you know. These are the target clients. They do not want something for free. They want to pay for it so that they can make a lot of it. But some people, they need proof. They will not understand what I'm saying. So I understood that they will not understand my message right away. So I created the attraction that okay, I will give it for you free. This is my proof. Let it work. And then if you feel safe, if you can generate leads after 5 days, yeah, you give me your money so that I can build a system for you. Okay, this is a customized training for everybody. This is what my product was, and this is what I said about it. So I will train you or your team for 5 days and coach them develop one system that will work for them, most probably without spending a lot of money or maybe nothing in some cases, So this was my offer I sent to everybody. So once I get connected with these guys on the LinkedIn, I send them the message that, okay, yeah, I know that this is a problem, I can solve it. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? And after that, what happened is that a lot of people start connected with me. So what I did is that I did it by cold outreach. So what is cold outreach? That I told everyone of them, like my lead generation, my leads, that and automated. I told everyone about it, that I want to help. But I included everything. I knew what the problem is, and this is the secret, I knew what the problem is. I I found out the right problem. I gave them the right solution because I know that most of the people, they do not want to pay whole life to generate leads and do marketing for them. Nobody wants to do business with someone like whole time if they can learn it. So they can easily learn it, and they have hired someone actually specialized like marketing team. So why not teaching their marketing team how they can do it for you? But because marketing is something is customized, for you the problem is different, for others the problem is different, for others our problem is different. My marketing problem is different than you, but the method how to find the problem is the same. What generally you think that they can help them, you just tell them that, okay, this is how I want to offer them. If you have a genuine message and if you have a genuine solution to the problem, they will respond to you. There is no like I do not, how you do not want to solve your problem. This is so general, right? So if I tell you that I will solve your problem, why you do not need my help? Everybody will need your help. So this is the method. This is a simple thing. I understood this thing. I told everybody that I want to help. I told everybody that I want to help, and everybody connected with me. So what happened is that so many people connected with me, and so many people are still getting in touch. They are talking to me. They want to understand what is going on and what is wrong. So what I do is that I schedule a call with them. I talk to them, and I help them understand what the problem is and how I can solve them. And they agree. This is so simple. But not everybody will agree. So not everybody is your customer. So what lead generation is actually, first thing, you have to imagine just what your lead is. Then you have to put your imagination to work so that you can know what your customer is. Okay, about these. Let's suppose you are selling app development or software development. So you need to understand first, who do you want to serve? What problem can you solve? And then what you need to do is that you need to offer them the solution. And I know that if somebody is suffering a problem from a long time, it is not easy to understand. It is not easy to trust everybody that he can solve the problem. So you need to give them something, an attraction, something, a lead magnet, what I call, offer, something like that, so that they can trust you. First, build the trust. And this is how you build everything. In the marketing, you build reputation like this. You offer them something that, okay, this is the proof. Don't worry about that. I will help you in this way. If you want to help somebody, okay, there is no reason they would not accept help from you. But if you do not, this is the problem of the marketing. So, people think that marketing is a skill or something like that. You will do some magical, you will say some magical words, people will come on some magical skills, some tricks and tips and advertising and this and that. This is simple. This is simple. Find your leads, assume that these are my customers, okay? Understand what they must be thinking about. I did not understand something that I don't know about. Everybody knows about their problem. Everybody knows about other humans' problem. It is so simple. Okay, so I created an automated campaign. So let me show you what I did to automate this system. Okay, so let me go back to my. Okay, let me show you something. I researched tool and I found this. This is the best tool. Let me show you first. Okay. I'm opening the LinkedIn helper. This is tool. Let me show this. Okay. Just give me a second, it's just loading. So I don't know how many people are still here, but I think um, most of the people who will watch me later will understand what I'm trying to say. This is just my first time. Okay, I have not received any comment from you guys yet. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments. After what I will finish, I will just see the comments if you have any questions so that I will answer. Okay. Okay, so it is opening. Let me share my screen to you, what I did. Okay. Oh, it's already 1 hour. I'm really sorry, guys. This already has gone an hour. Okay, I'm sharing my screen right now. Oh, okay. Okay, this is my screen of Linked Helper. This is the tool that you can also buy, and they will give you 14 days free trial. So I did everything for free, right? LinkedIn Sales Navigator is free. I just searched them, and I found out these are the people. Okay, these are the people. This is my message. Okay, this is my message. Okay, how I send them in the bulk, because I send few people and I see result. When I see result, I want to touch them more and more people. Like if I can reach everything out, 6,500 people, it is very difficult to reach 6,500 people by doing it like sending invite one by one, you know. So I found out that there is a way that I can automate it. So what I did is that I installed the software, Linked Helper, and you can also install the software. You have to connect your LinkedIn account here, and after connecting your LinkedIn account, you have to just open your LinkedIn account. Okay, so here it is very simple. Okay, you have to just connect your LinkedIn account. So you can figure it out how to connect a LinkedIn account, right? Okay, so okay, starting sounds. Just give me a second. So it will take a little bit time, and then you see this is starting. Okay. Okay. Oh, I just realized that you are not looking at the right screen now. So after some time, it will open. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, it's just loading. After that, it will load. Oh, okay. Okay, after that, it will load, and this is what you will do. So, okay, here when you will first start, there will be no campaign. So, what you want to do is that you want to reach more people of your persona, and then you want to tell them about your message. Okay, so my message has two parts. One is the connection request that I told them that okay, this is my connection request. I will share you everything. Okay, so what I did is that in this, I wish I can start from the beginning. I don't know how to do this. This is so dumb, right? So I don't know how to do it, but you can figure it out. You can start your campaign by creating a workflow. So first thing that you need to do is that you need to connect the search results from the Sales Navigator to here. So I found 6,500 results, but I just narrowed down a few people so that I can connect like for 1,500, something like that. Because what I did is that I excluded some of the cities so that I can narrow it down. So I just decided to test my message to 1,500 people first. Okay, so you can see how much this campaign has run. Okay, okay. So what I did is that I queue. So here when you will press the queue, you can easily find the tutorial how to use the LinkedIn helper. So I put everything in the queue. So let me show you how I did it. I think I can. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay. Add profiles. So I searched from the Sales Navigator. I clicked on Sales Navigators, go to search profile, and then I saved the search result and click on that. And everything, every profile will come here, and the linked helper will start doing it. Okay. So this is the first part that I added the people in the queue. then what I wanted to do is that I wanted to follow them. So what I want to do is that I want to follow them so that, I can start talking to them. So first I think is that I followed them. I need to understand what they're doing in their lives. Okay. So I followed them, and then I also wanted to extract their emails from the LinkedIn if they have provided to LinkedIn. So I wanted so that I can do it later. But you can skip this step. First thing is that you need to follow them. Okay. The second step is that you need to invite your leads. Okay. So this was my lead connection message. Most of the people that you're listening right now, this was my message. Hi. First thing, let's connect. I promise I will just share valuable content regarding lead generation as much as I can for free for you. This message is to help Pakistani tech leaders live a stress-free life by providing lead generation training to their marketing teams. You see, this is literally my message, but different words. What you can do is that you can, if you can just try to write different things, and if you want to write different things that are effective, you need to test. So this is my tested. Before that, I wrote something else, and then wrote something else, and then wrote something else. This is the most effective that I found out, and I'm also trying to, change it again and again so that I can find out one good thing. Okay. And then what I did is that after I connected, I just put a 1-day delay. And then what I did is that here I saw the tutorial. They say that you should have filter contact out from this first level. This is so simple, right? So then I delayed 1 day more, and then I like and comment their post, and that's it. So what happened is that the people who get connected with me, let me share the other screen. What happened then? So basically what I'm doing is that I'm connected with them. I'm just running a campaign that, okay, this is a campaign, okay, people are connected with me. So let me share you the result screen, okay? Not the result screen actually. What happened when people are connected with me. Oh, wait, oh, just give me a second. Okay. So after that, what will happen is that people will accept the people who will accept your connection request, it will be like that. Okay. So the people, you will get their message here. Okay. So I have not replied to their message because they have not sent me, but so many people, they send me message. Okay, I see your profile, So what happened that how people actually connect to you? Like, if you send them the connection request, what will happen? Normally, it is normal stuff, right? What will happen that if you get a connection request, what you do is that you go to your profile, you see. So what I did is that I in my profile, you will see everything that I do. So I aligned everything together to my message. So I write everywhere that, okay, I want to help people to generate leads. So that I actually want to, train their marketing team so that they can generate leads. I wrote everywhere possible. I told everyone, right? I told everyone that I'm doing this. I told everyone I'm doing this, especially the people who I want to connect with. I told publicly, and I told everyone actually to my leads, not to everyone, but other people will listen as well. You cannot avoid them, so it's okay. But people who are your leads, they will connect with you, and what you can do later on is that you can send your message to them. Okay, this was the first part. And then what happened is that people started replying to me. Okay, yeah, I'm interested to generating. You're generating leads? Okay, no, I'm not generating, I'm training you. Okay, so how you can do this? And you can start the conversation. And because sales I have been doing a long time, I also connected this with the first fundamental of marketing. I want to help them. So I just tried to help them. Okay, this is what I do, this is what I can do. I know this, you're feeling this. I just told them what they feel about it. So I just told them, I just find out first that, okay, do they really feel about this? Is the lead generation is the problem that I should solve? So once they open up that, okay, yeah, I want to solve my lead generation problem. So I offer them, okay, this is how I can do it. Do you want it? Most of the people, they say, okay, no, I will think about it. It's okay, no problem. What my problem is that I got a lead, they do not want to solve it. Okay, this is not my lead. Okay, but what happens is as soon as you put your message out, people will get in contact with you. So this is how I tested. I'm actually doing it right now. So what I do is that I test more headlines. I test more, sales script. I'm testing my sales script. I'm getting more ways to attract this. The event is part of this. This is the part of attracting you guys so that you can understand what I'm doing. Okay. So the end result is that one method, this one method only, this gave me 1,500 clients in 32 days. I connected with 1,500 people. Okay, these are my leads. I was connected with them. These are my leads. Just I want to close them now. So how I close them? That I processed with sending them the right message. So I'm telling you right now, if you are listening to me and you are one of them, this is the method that I did. Just do it and get result. It is very easy. Okay, it is very easy stuff. So the second thing, the second result that I got is that after I got 1,500 connection, I qualified them and I got 372 leads. That actually qualified to be my qualified leads. Okay, so how I did it? I send them the research polls, data, content, whatever I want to see that okay, should qualify them. I send it to them. I messages that okay, do you feel like that? Oh, okay. Are you that? Are you this? Are you this? Do you want to generate leads? Okay, I can help you like that. Do you want to contact with me so that I can tell you more? And what happened is that most of the people who genuinely felt that the lead generation is the problem, they connected with me. They sent me a message that okay, yeah, I need your help. How you can help? And I told them, okay, this is how can I help. I show them my course slide. I told them this is the course that I have designed and I will do this. This is the proof how I can do this. And they connected with me. Okay, I just told them that okay, this is my course. Initially, I'm just perfecting it. Okay, so initially what happened is that even if your sales script is not perfect, it is the sales script. You will make it perfect, by time. But at least write a sales script. Tell them, okay, this is what I do. This is how I want to help. Do you need my help? And they will get connected with you. This is so easy. Okay, and I converted 4 clients for free training. Okay, because this was my offer that okay, if you want to avail a free training, I can also give it to you for free. Do it, and I will help you convert leads. I will help you generate leads in 5 days straight. Okay, if you will not generate leads after 5 days, do not pay me anything. If you think that okay, yeah, after these 5 days or after 5 days of training and then implementing it for like few days, you get a result and you want to do more, you come to me, I will tell you how to do more, how I am doing more right now. Okay, so the final result is that I am almost fully booked. Now I cannot handle more clients. I can mostly occupy 2 more clients. That's it. So this is what the result is, that I just have 2 more spots left, and that's it. 2 more spots. I am fully booked. I don't know about your business, but everybody has a capacity. My capacity was something that now just 2 more clients and then I cannot sell more. Okay, I will find other things to sell, because I would not be able to sell this thing. Okay, and maybe your capacity is that you can handle 10 clients, 20 clients, 30 clients. So the easiest, safest method to generate more leads so that you can fill your capacity is this. This is the right method. Just go to LinkedIn, find your persona, tell them. And the secret is that you have to find the right lead persona. You have to think about it. Okay, this is so simple. Thinking is so simple, and you have to write the right message. So the more genuine the message is, the more right it is. What is right? Genuine thing is right. So if you do not want to help someone, and if you're saying that, yeah, I want to help, we are the human. We are more intelligent makhluk of Allah. We are very intelligent makhluk. We can find out that you are lying, and the day we will find out that you are lying, we will stop trusting you and people like you. And that is why people don't trust marketing guys. I know that because most of the marketing guys lie in their lives. I have done this mistake. I am so ashamed of it. Because now I understand that if you're doing marketing and you're not bringing more clients in, this is your responsibility as a marketing guy to do this. And I know that most of the CEOs feel about that. So this is what I did. This was my genuine message, and I sent it to the genuine guys. This is so easy to connect with them, you know. So if you see that, oh no, it will not work for you, okay, no problem. Join me for a free class for 5 days. I will help you generate more leads. I will help you implement the system to you. And even after that, if you don't get success, it's okay. You can not pay me. What will you get? Nothing. This method that I just told you, you know, it cost me nothing. Sales Navigator is free for 1 month, okay? And you just need 1 month to implement this. 5 days to implement this, and other days to test and connect with your customers. You need linked helper. It gives you 14 days. 14 days is enough. In 14 days is every day. Every day you connect with. Okay, yeah, something you should understand. You cannot send more requests to. There is a limit to send request connection request. Okay, so you need to be careful about this. You should not exceed it 150 or something, 50 something like that. I think yeah, it is 150. Oh no, 50 to 60. Maybe you can go to 50, 60, and then 80. That's fine. So if you can send 60 to 80 connection requests per day, or 100 connections per day, maybe if you go full, you know, I did 80 connections per day. If you do 80 connections per day, maybe 5 to 8 clients will connect with you every day. If you're doing everything wrong, you know, even if you're doing everything wrong, it will happen. Okay, if your message is not good, check what is your message. Now I started with 5 to 6 percentage of the connection to 50 to 60% conversion by just writing the right message to them. Okay, so this was my right message. I send it to them. Genuinely, I get connections. I got leads. So if you cannot be genuine, this is I think I cannot solve. But if you want to be genuine, you know, so and genuinely want to make more leads, it is the most authentic, simplest, easiest method. If I can do this, you can do this. You can do this. Your team can do this. If your team can do this, why they are not doing it, teach them. If you have learned something from this presentation, I think that would be the one thing that you should do, is that you implement this strategy. If you want to learn something from me, you have just learned, just implement this strategy. Do it wrong, no problem. Ask me. I did it. I will help you. I will help you. This is totally free. If this is free for me, this is free for you as well. You know, you can ask me, other marketing guys, okay, I am writing this, what will happen? You can improve your copywriting. You know, it's so easy. You have to just write genuinely. You have to just do it genuinely. If you can do it genuinely, you will get it better by time, inshallah. So let me know if you have any questions right now in the comment box. I will give you just, if you are still here, I don't know if you are still here. It's been a long time, oh my God, okay. So what I will do is right now is that I think nobody has joined me yet. I know this is the wrong day today. So the people who already joined me, I am really thankful to you guys. I tried to summarize this for 20 minutes, but this was so much to talk about that I think it took a lot of time. I'm really sorry. I will record this. I will, and then I will edit for you so that you know you can make it fruitful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.